Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, please remain upstanding for the national anthem of Nauru. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Please be seated. Now, welcome to the stage, your masters of the ceremony, Miss Rebecca Amano and Mr. Kramer Kane. It started.
What an audience.
Omo jumu miaka libe mak. E kamu beramo. Malolele. Talapalama. Ali. Hai. And of course Yakwe. To everyone here in attendance and everyone joining us, being broadcasted right around the region and elsewhere. Welcome to the Miss Pacific Islands Pageant 2024!
A warm Pacific greetings to you all from the pleasant island of Nauru, your host country for the 35th Miss Pacific Islands Pageant this year.
That's how we do it. Without further ado, I think we should get things started. What do you think? Are we excited to get things started? Yes?
Yeah?
Are we excited to get things started?
Yeah!
All right. Let the Miss Pacific Islands Pageant 2024 begin! To commence our program for this evening, we'd like to kindly invite the Minister for Tourism in Nauru, Madam Minister Honourable Charmaine Scotty, to give her official address to open the Miss Pacific Islands Pageant 2024. Madam insisted I'm not going all the way up to the stage, so she's right here. She's the tall one out of us two.
It's warm up for you, Kramer. It's warm up. Let's warm it up. Давай клейма. Hey, double man on me. Pinayi dapat kepada merah. Kemudian Your Excellency, President David Adem, or a Member of Parliament, Speaker, Earl Marcus Stephen MP, Members of Cabinet, Deputy Prime Minister of Samoa, and your good lady. I'm sorry, I don't even want to attempt to say your name. It's too long and I might do something wrong with it. Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, welcome. Welcome to the first night of the Miss Pacific Pageant 2024. It is indeed a great privilege and honor for all of us on Nauru to be the first Micronesian country to host a Miss Pacific Pageant. Good wishes and all the best for our 7 beautiful Pacific women contestants from the island nations of American Samoa. Good clap. Samoa, Tonga, Palau, Marshall Islands, Papua New Guinea, and Nauru. I'd like to extend heartfelt thanks and appreciation to our outgoing Miss Pacific, Miss Josie Nichols of Papua New Guinea for her excellent and fervent promotions of our region of the beautiful blue and mighty Pacific Ocean. Enjoy tonight's performance. Just before I go, I have something to ask the Nauruans. I mean, Nauru, ang oyeng me, you malapakaw. 1, 2, 3. Matawaka.
Thank you, Madam Minister.
Thank you, Madam Minister. Now, without further ado, and now for their opening number, let's welcome the current Miss Pacific Islands, Josie Nicholas, and our 7 beautiful contestants.
the reigning Miss Pacific Islands, Miss Josie and Nicholas from PNG, and the beautiful ladies vying for the title this year. I think everyone is excited to welcome the ladies back. Would you like to see the ladies once more?
Can we get a yeah?
Let's bring back the ladies for the individual introduction. The first category, so without further ado, let's bring them out for the individual introductions. Let's welcome contestant number 1.
But you have to represent your country. My name is Judy from Taonuu, 23 years of age, and I am Miss American Samoa. Your contestant number
1. Miss American Samoa's role is to graduate from the American Samoa Community College, which she is majoring in pre-law and criminal justice. Her future plans include joining the army and furthering her education to become a lawyer. Miss American Samoa platform has allowed her to get out of her comfort zone and take this role as a learning experience within new obstacles and opportunities in life. Ladies and gentlemen, Miss American Samoa!
I am Sitita Vaenuku. I am honored and blessed to represent my beloved Tonga. I am humbled to represent my Tongan people back at home and all over the world who have shown nothing but support and love. Mahalo au pito pe a opalahi atu ki he tonga totoa pe. And I am doing my best to represent my beloved Tongan people. And also I would like to thank all my Tongan community and the people of Nauru for hosting us. I am your contestant number 2, and I am representing the only surviving kingdom in the Pacific, the Kingdom of Tonga.
Miss Tonga attended Moemoana High School, where she graduated with honors, and then went on to serve on a full-time voluntary mission for the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints. She served for 3 years in Brazil and New Zealand. She is fluent in 3 languages, Tongan, English, and Portuguese. Ms. Tonga currently works for the Tongan Tourism Authority and was also previously employed as an administrative assistant in the LDS Tongan Temple. Yo, Ms. Tonga!
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome to the stage, contestant number 3. Ladies and gentlemen, Miss Palau strives to achieve her goals in making her own place in this world with the inspiration of her home country. She considers herself to be an introvert, but is also an opportunist who is determined and reliable. She is proud to represent her beautiful home country to the best that she can. She has been busy with duties, but is honored to have so many opportunities and experiences. Miss Palau!
Contestant number 4. Contestant number 3, sorry. Now, welcoming to the stage, contestant number 4.
And warm Pacific greetings to you all. My name is Rosita Rokobuli. I am 19 years of age. I proudly hail from the Eminent tribe, and I come from the pleasant island, Nauru. As this year's proudest hostess, on behalf of the people of Nauru, welcome Pacifica people to our pleasant island.
Ms. Nauru currently serves at the Judiciary Department of the Nauru government, where she wholeheartedly dedicates to upholding the principles of justice and equity, and to contributing to the welfare of her fellow citizens. Her diligent service in the public sector reflects her profound sense of duty to and for her country and her people. Your very own, Miss Nauru!
and recently completed her formal education at the Papua New Guinea University of Technology, where she obtained her bachelor's in mining engineering. She is an outdoors kind of person who appreciates the beauty of simple village life. Ladies and gentlemen, Miss Papua New Guinea.
My name is Claret and ChongGum, contestant number 6, and I am your Miss Marshall Islands. I am honored to be here in beautiful Nauru, the first ever Micronesian country to host the Miss Pacific Islands pageant. And as a Micronesian sister myself, it is indeed an honor and a privilege to be here. Komotana and Tuba.
Ms. Claret currently works at the Ministry of Foreign Affairs and Trade of the Republic of the Marshall Islands as a Foreign Service Officer. But she also wears her other hat as the reigning Miss Marshall Islands 2023, housed under the Office of Commerce, Investment and Tourism. Miss Marshall Islands graduated from University of Honolulu in 2019 with a Bachelor of Arts in International Trade. Your Miss Marshall Islands! Thank you, contestant number 6.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome our final contestant for tonight, contestant number 7.
My name is Moimoi Safa'ato'a Schwenke. I am 23 years of age. My message for the Pacific is to safeguard our culture, people, lands, and ocean. I am your contestant number 7, and I proudly represent the treasured islands of Samoa. Paksai Telelava.
Miss Samoa, Moimoi Schwenke, is a proud daughter of Samoa and Oceania. She was born in Samoa and raised between Samoa, New Zealand, and Australia. Moimoi is a creative and performing arts practitioner, known for her performances as a Pacific Islands dancer, Safa'ato'a entertainer, and her work as a senior tutor for the Matavai Pacific Cultural Arts Center, ensuring the promotion and preservation of our Pacifica cultural heritage since 2013. Ladies and gentlemen, Miss Samoa!
for the title this year. Do you want more? Do you want more? Well, we're going to give them a bit of time for preparation. Sorry guys, just thought I'd round you up. In the meantime, we do have some entertainment for you. So please welcome to the stage Ms. Triana Dudo, who will be showcasing the art of the kaura, a traditional cultural practice of string figure dancing.
Traditional kaura string figures are performed by the local family in Guinea. Tonight, on behalf of the clan, Dee-Raya Antonio will be performing a contemporary dance and showcase some of those string figures for you to show a glimpse of our Nauru culture.
Yeah.
Now please, as we introduce each of our judges, please if you may stand up, and if we can have a round of applause for each of them. So starting with the head judge, Dr. Cecilia Nembo. Dr. Cecilia Nembo has served on various committees and councils of the university, as well as on board of state-owned enterprises and boards of commercial and non-government organizations. In 2011, the PNG Institute of Directors awarded her the Female Director of the Year. In 2020, the government of PNG recognized her services to higher education in PNG by a Queen's Birthday Award of Officer of the Most Excellent Order of the British Empire, OBE.
Round of applause for our head judge, Dr. Cecilia Nembu.
Our second judge for the evening is Mrs. Kauai Rima. Sorry, Kauai. Kauai's journey began as Miss Nauru. Kauai's journey began as Miss Nauru 2014, later representing her country at the Miss Pacific Islands Pageant 2014. She is now a dedicated nurse in Brisbane, a loving wife and a mother of two. Committed to promoting gender equality and women's empowerment, she has actively been involved in conferences and leadership programs representing Nauru as an ambassador. She sees Miss Pacific Islands Pageant as a valuable platform for celebrating Pacific cultures and achievements. Thank you, Kauai.
Perhaps what I'll do is I'll introduce the judges, then you can stand up after I've done your bio. Our next judge, Tuilangi Dr. Iglesi Ete, is from Savai'i, Samoa, and holds the esteemed Samoan chief title, Tuilangi. He has etched his legacy on the Pacific arts canvas. Acknowledged for his exceptional contributions, Dr. Ete received the Creative New Zealand Senior Pacific Artist Award in 2009. Appointed as the chairperson of the Fiji Arts Council Board by the Fijian government in 2017, he further solidified his influence on the Pacific arts stage. He's also served as New Zealand choir master for Peter Jackson's acclaimed film, The Lord of the Rings, The Fellowship of the Ring, and his expertise was also enlisted for Disney's Moana. Dr. Tuilangi Iglesi Ete.
Our next judge is Mr. Richardson Teku, who is from the Cook Islands. Was born from the Cook Islands and raised in Auckland, New Zealand. He founded a small Pacific-inspired clothing line called Baru back in 2015 and continues to this day. He has taken part in local markets and international Pacific fashion events. He is thrilled and proud that our Baru clothing line is made in New Zealand by the talented creative artists there. Please, if you may take this out.
And last but not least, our fifth judge for tonight, Petro Palau, is a Pacific regional tourism expert with extensive experience across tourism, private enterprises, National Tourism Office, and regional tourism management. He has served in senior tourism leadership roles, including his most recent engagement as chairman of the Pacific Tourism Organization, SPTO, and chief executive officer of the Tourism Authority of Kiribati. He is an advocate for women in tourism and recognizes the value of the Miss Pacific Islands pageant and how it plays in highlighting the valuable role women play in tourism and the promotion of all Pacific Island tourism destinations. Petro Palau. I just want to explain too that in the meantime, Has anybody heard of Justin Wellington?
I don't think so, Trevor. You might need to ask that again.
Maybe we'll tell him to go. Has anybody heard of Justin Wellington?
Not loud enough, Prima. One more time.
Come on, Nauru, we can do better than that. Do you want to see Justin Wellington? Ladies and gentlemen, we've got some special artists for the Miss Pacific Islands pageant. He's decided to come back to entertain Nauru and the Miss Pacific Islands pageant. So, wherever you are, Justin, whenever you're ready, everyone is ready for you. So please come to the stage, Mr. Justin Wellington!
Thank you so much, everybody. Much love. Great to be here. Hey! People just call me JW. Great to be here tonight. Hey! Wow. Tell me why. She was my baby. Hey! The sun goes down on my eyes. pleasure to be here tonight. My name is Justin Wellington. People call me JW. I was born and I grew up in a beautiful nation of Papua New Guinea, and always so proud to represent. So once again, thank you. I'm going to do one more song, and I'll say goodnight. I'll be back tomorrow night. Much love, everybody. Thank you so much. DJ, hit it. My bestie. Make this angle high. Talk about it. I go on.
Ladies and gentlemen, give it up one more time for JW! So great to have him back from Ireland. Rocking the crowds again, Rebecca.
Yes, we certainly open up the crowd for us and for the next category.
Speaking of which, I think the ladies are now ready for the second category for tonight, the talents category. So very soon we'll be bringing them back one by one again to showcase their talent for tonight's event.
Are you ready for more? Are you ready for more? Therefore, let's welcome back. We welcome you back to our second category, the talent category, which is judged on the contestant's outstanding presentation, creativity, and performance to command and capture the attention of the audience. The presentation is to be completed within 4 minutes. For those of you here tonight with us, and for those watching from around the Pacific and the world, prepare to be entertained by our lovely contestants.
Welcoming back on stage, your contestant number 1, Miss American Samoa. Tonight's pageant theme directs us to acknowledge other island nations across the waters and appreciate their cultural practices. The sustainable factor is our children continue to live and practice our traditions and culture for many years to come. Specifically, our cultural dances. Tonight, Miss Judy shares the art of dance through a simple monologue and demonstrates a set list of dances that resonates with her, ranging from cultural to contemporary Siva. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome contestant number 1, Miss American Samoa, to the stage.
Dance is defined as a series of movements that matches the speed and rhythm of a piece of music. It is a performing art that takes any forms, such as the ballet, ballroom, jazz, and cha-cha-cha. Historians believe dance existed before written words was discovered. Each island nation has its own style of culture dance, transmitting our culture, one, defining our people, and our way of life, like the Tahitian Otea. and also helps me express my devotion.
Nation that has remained intact since its early days. It was never colonized or occupied by a foreign power. King Tapo VI is the current king, and his royal lineage dates back, unbroken for over 1,000 years. Tonga's culture has continued to be robustly maintained because it has also had to adapt to and weather the tides of changes. From ancient Tonga to modern Tonga. Journey with Miss Tonga as we experience the evolution of change through the music and dance of her island kingdom home, Tonga!
The ancient Otuhaka, traditionally performed seated by elderly women of nobility. The lyrics so dated they seem foreign, the motion simple, repeated and unchanged for generations. The ancient sound unmarred by Western influence. Was the precursor to the Ma'ulu'ulu, still performed seated, but hundreds of people moving in synchronized motions, accented by the pulsating beat of the nafa and rich harmony that can be heard throughout the village. The Ta'alunga was the ancient Fahaiula, traditionally performed for kings and nobles alike by selected beauties of the village. Perhaps one would be chosen by the king. We return to the ancient sound befitting simple poetry in motion. Beloved late Queen Salote, the Tongan Ta'alunga and compositions of Tongan songs became more intricate. The use of metaphors and instruments arrangements made the songs more melodious and dance motions became more descriptive in style. This particular song was composed by the most renowned of Tongan composers, the late Queen Salote. Ube o Siu Ilikutapu was written as a lullaby for the late Queen's eldest granddaughter, Princess Siu Ilikutapu, and has since been popularized by social media. Our music and dance have truly evolved with time. We hold strong to the legacy of our rich past and embrace the ingenuity and creativity of our future.
Ladies and gentlemen, introducing contestant number 3. Put your hands together and welcome to the stage for her talent, Miss Palau. Oya, bien, oya.
This traditional chant, known as Talba'al, translates that we are all passengers in a shared canoe. In this portrait you see is the beginning of a story. As we sit on this canoe together, it is our story, beginning with self-reflection, who we are, and as we go, it will turn into a journey as we travel forward. We have goals of where we want to see ourselves, and we will trust that we are steered in the right path. As we all work together to get there, whether we make it or not is up to us. As islanders, we recognize the collective responsibility to paddle our way and to paddle in rhythm. It symbolizes that together we can navigate the changing tides. It serves as an ode to unity and teamwork. From the earliest memories I can recall, I have always had a penchant for the arts. Being raised by an artist's mother, I was a keen observer of her creative expression. My grandfather, a skilled carpenter, kept a multitude of blueprints scattered throughout my home. I would often find myself captivated by these intricate designs. Today, I aspire to be an architect, and as an architect, we see that beauty is a kaleidoscope of perspectives. I have a goal to see my own perspectives envisioned into reality, and strive to add on to the beauty I have come to know as an islander. Beauty is the knowledge of the phases of the moon that dictate our way of life. Beauty is the knowledge that during a particular lunar cycle, it's most ideal to cut trees that we use to make our canoe and our traditional houses. Beauty is the knowledge of respecting our nature, to take only what we need. Beauty is the knowledge of using nature, be the stars, the moon, the current, and the wind, to navigate where we are to where we want to be. Beauty is the knowledge of using our taro patch as a natural water filtration system for streams, mangroves, and our marine environment. Beauty is our indigenous knowledge. Beauty is our people. Beauty beyond the reef.
Prosperity, roll, let flow, 'cause it's our time.
And our next contestant is one of your own, contestant number 4, Miss Nauru. Tonight, under the moon's gentle gaze, Miss Nauru Rosita Rokobuli shall weave her tale, painting vivid scenes with her words. Through the graceful flight of the frigate bird, her nation's proud emblem, she will unveil vibrant spirits carrying us on the wings of imagination across the vast span of the Pacific region. Please put your hands together for Miss Nauru!
Vast distance of islands, embraced by
concluded her performance with a stunning Iti dance, a traditional dance that honors the nation's national frigate bird. She moved gracefully like a bird in flight as it witnessed the natural beauty and cultural diversity of her home. Thank you, Miss Nauru!
Ladies and gentlemen, without further ado, let's bring on contestant number 5, Miss Papua New Guinea. Tonight, Miss Papua New Guinea presents a song titled Sia, originally written and composed by Papua New Guinean singer-songwriter Mr. Isaiah Manoa, sung in the Su'au and Du'au languages of Milne Bay Province. Tonight she pays tribute to the sea, the majestic bird of paradise, a symbol of beauty and diversity. Tonight she honors each and everyone with traditional chants, calling forth the winds of change. Tonight she sings and pays homage to ancestral voices and wisdoms of blessings and abundance. Ladies and gentlemen, Miss Papua New Guinea, with her talent, Sia! is contestant number 6, Miss Marshall Island! Marshallese women are renowned as some of the finest weavers in the Pacific. Weaving has been a vital part of Marshallese culture for generations. With the Reikaini, the Pageant founder being a precious tool that is passed down from mother to daughter, symbolizing wealth and prosperity. Traditionally, when a young girl is born, her umbilical cord is planted under a pandanus tree so that she may grow to be a skilled weaver for the family. Most Marshallese women still make their livelihoods and support their families through weaving. Weaving is also Marshallese creativity and artistry at its peak. Marshallese weaving has evolved from clothing mats to intricate purses, elaborate shell necklaces, and our beloved decorative practical bags. Miss Marshall Islands paid tribute to these Marshallese weavers by performing a song that shows the different steps of weaving of a Marshallese fan. The Marshallese fan, or otherwise known as the rare, is woven from both pandanus and coconut fibers. The rare is actually dances with an example of the elaborate variety of rare created in the Marshall Islands. Feel the breeze on the Miss Marshall Islands rare and become reminded of weaving as a symbol of women's strength, creativity, and beauty. Journey with Miss Marshall Islands as she honors the traditions from our past, our present, and the ways that weave us together in the Pacific. Miss Marshall Islands also pays tribute to Oceania, the ways in which history continues to weave our people together through difficult, traumatic times, as well as through moments of joy and celebration. Miss Marshall Islands will end her performance with a Pacific mix that holds a song from each of the sub-regions: Polynesia, Melanesia, and Micronesia. Ladies and gentlemen, Miss Marshall Islands!
abundance to the Marshallese people and can be shared with all Marshall Pacific residents. Of Polynesia, Melanesia, and Micronesia.
Thank you once again, Miss Marshall Islands! What an amazing showcase of cultural diversity we are being presented with tonight. We have one more contestant left while the boys prepare the props on stage. We just want to extend a big thank you again to our major sponsor, Digicel, for whom, without tonight, a lot of things would have happened. So thank you, Digicel!
Round of applause, everyone! Oi, oi, come on!
Ladies and gentlemen, without further ado, welcome to the stage, our final contestant for the talent category tonight, contestant number 7, Miss Samoa! Moemoana's talent is a fire knife dance, known in Samoa as Safa'ato'a. The fire in the Safa'ato'a performance is symbolic of power, resilience, and spirit. She will perform this warrior dance with a traditional Samoan weapon, nipo'oti, and fire on both ends of the knife. Moimoi will bring to life the legend of Napanua, Samoan warrior goddess, who freed her people from injustice. She embodies Napanua as she prepares for battle in the spirit world with Latu. Her father meticulously crafted and gifted her 4 weapons in her quest to unite Samoa. Her weapon of choice was the ta pesilafai, shaped like a nipo'oti. This weapon represents that going into battle requires strategy, foresight, and vision. This is her message to the Pacific in our quest to safeguard our culture, tradition, and environment. Moimoana's weapon is a metaphor. She presents this weapon to the Pacific Islands. Carry this weapon and let it strengthen you. Miss Samoa! Ladies and gentlemen, give it up once more for Miss Samoa!
Would not happen without them. A massive thank you to our major sponsor, Digicel. Give it up for them. Everyone!
If that's just a taste of things to come tomorrow night, what an amazing, amazing, diverse, cultural talent. Please give it up for the ladies again. Moemoana, all sub-contestants and all of their talents in the talent manager. That's a hard one for you judges. I feel sorry for you. Yeah, that's a hard one to judge.
We'll leave it to you. But it is also important, we do have two other sponsors, which is Capella and Partners and Nauru Airlines. So please, a round of applause for them as well. Oh yeah!
Ladies and gentlemen, enough from me and Rebecca. Do you guys know a guy called Kenyon Brown? Do you guys know Kenyon Brown? Do you want him on the stage?
Right now?
I'll show you Kenyon Brown. Kenyon Brown, yeah? Let's do it. Ladies and gentlemen, Kenyon Brown!
Let's get a DJ. Left side, everybody on the left side, make some noise one time. Everybody on the right side, make some noise one time. Ain't nothing wrong with you spending all night. We've been drinking so much, I think you should let it all go. Yeah, oh. So let's just sober up, let me fill up the cup. Put Patron in your body, take it with coconut. Tell your friend that you ain't coming home tonight. Let them know that you gon' really be alright. So we get old and wrap it up in the morning. And some of my plans could help you up alone and die. I'm so surprised that you say that. Everybody right now like this.
contestant?
I don't know how to follow that.
Well, that's the first night. You can imagine what the second night's going to be. But do like that, everybody. That actually completes our first night on the Miss Pacific Islands Pageant 24.
A round of applause for our contestant and for everyone who's behind the scenes of putting this show together. Everyone!
Have a big round of applause also for our judges for tonight. Great round of applause for the judges. Thank you very much, judges, for your patience. You will be back tomorrow. We will be introducing you also to our special awards judges tomorrow. Our 3 special awards judges tomorrow.
And our souvenirs as well. So all that is expected tomorrow with more entertainment and a lot more stuff to come.
Until then, we hope you enjoyed the night. Thank you, everybody.